Check the seals on the glycerin barrels.
All seals are intact. Scanning now.
Labels applied.
The machine is processing the sample now. Purity levels look good.
Agreed. The pH levels are also within the expected range. Vitamins and hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and fragrances. And preservatives are added, always at lower temperatures. Appearance is uniform,
Viscosity is within range.
texture feels smooth.
pH is stable at 5.5.
Fragrance is consistent.
Experience absolute precision, flawless application every single time. Elevate your brand's identity. Sophistication meets automation.
Laser coating delivers permanent, high-contrast marking. It applies precise manufacturing and expiration dates.
We check every product for leakage, we inspect for any scratches, and we verify perfect label alignment. Experience absolute precision in every detail, where beauty meets state-of-the-art automation, flawless packaging every single time.